Yes, we have a lot for sale out here at Lake Royale, but first let's look at the amenities and everything this lake has to offer. It is a gated community, including a huge multi-purpose clubhouse, featuring a patio that overlooks the lake, as well as offering a volleyball court and a huge beach with a wonderful swimming area. I even saw a young man fishing over here in the corner. There's a lot of coves around the lake to dock your boat. Here's some people kayaking and some ducks floating in the water. There are playgrounds, covered picnic tables, tennis courts, and shuffleboards scattered throughout. Here's some horseshoe pits by the outdoor pavilion out here on the peninsula, and another swimming area, including an 18-hole putt-putt. They call this the Rocket Playground, and a golf cart flyby. Here's the river golf course at Lake Royale, located adjacent to the Tar River. Okay, now we're at Acoma Drive and Acoma Circle. And to the very end of this road, on the right-hand side, is the lot down in that cul-de-sac.
Okay, you've been waiting for this. This is the lot at Acoma Circle Drive. Completely wooded, back here on a very private road. So go out on the lake, do some fishing, go swimming, take the kids swimming, have a picnic, come home, sit on your back deck, and enjoy the peace and quiet and natural beauty of this Lake Royale.
Let us know if we can provide you with more information about the lot or Lake Royale.